Alright, I got my new cam, dash cam. Man, it works really good. My old one just had the two cams, front and back. This has the inside, which I really wanted for security. Someone tries breaking into the car, at least I'll have a picture there too. So that was really cool. Very easy to set up. Shoot, just booting up. It set the date, everything I needed in it, and formatted the card, and it was ready to go, ready to record. It's recording now, actually. It works really well. I mean, it took me a whole 5 minutes to install it. I just ran my cords, and I got a place here to plug it in, and just your normal 12-volt socket, and then I have the cam in the back, and very easy to see. I'll just kind of bring this up here. It says screensaver, thank goodness for that. But the screeners are really good. Garage, me, and then everything in front. I'll throw some video of driving up there. Maybe I can tack it onto this video. Let's see if I can do that. The picture's great. I mean, the playback's amazing quality. And from all cams, it's just so cool. And it time stamps it and everything. So it's really nice how I can peel this off of there. It's magnetic. So it has a magnetic mount. It pops on just like that. You know, it has this little magnet thing here. Yeah. So I can't. I lost my fingers on it. All right, I just smudged it. Shoot. Anyway, yeah, it just connects there, and power and everything. Really nice. And it'll boot up here in a moment, and you can see what it looks like. Boom, just like that. It's ready to go. Menu, up, down, arrow, power, all right there. Easy to get to. This thing's highly adjustable on this piece here. You can move it around. It's really nice. Yeah, there's no cons. I mean, it works really well, and I'm really happy with it.